it's a rough day and I've decided I'm going to do an English chicken pot pie, and while I've got stuff in the refrigerator that I'm going to clear out, I'm going to make it, and I'm going to do it because tomorrow I'm off to the UK, the south coast of England, and I'll be doing videos from there you'll be seeing. So stay tuned, please, and follow me over there. So you want 2 small onions in there, and 6 ounces of carrots, and 3 ounces of mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of garlic, called the old salt to melt down the onions. Not too much because I'm going to put chicken broth in there, which has already got a little bit of sodium in it. Fresh cracked pepper. In goes your chicken broth. Don't forget to heat up in the microwave beforehand. Half a cup. This is good. Teaspoon of your umami. Teaspoon of the old smoked paprika. Can't do without that in there. Half a cup of your heated half and half. That goes in. 2 nice sized chicken breasts. English cheddar and parmesan. 1 cup of Italian parsley. 6 or 7 cloves of roasted garlic. Half a cup of peas. Okay, so this is the part where you're going to roll out your puff pastry. Sort of grease out your pan well, and then in you go. So now it's construction time. And there she is in all her glory. Oven, baked 45 minutes. Here it is. Let's give it a go. Oh. You have to make this.